To make a cash deposit, simply touch the screen and you'll be connected with the next available teller. This quick process connects you directly with one of our specially trained tellers who can help you with virtually any type of transaction, just like one of our drive-through lanes. In order to access your account, your teller will ask you to type in your account number or the last 4 digits of the Social Security number associated with the account. Then, you're ready to insert your cash into the deposit tray below the screen and wait for your deposit total to appear on the screen as confirmation. Finally, take your receipt. Say goodbye to your friendly video teller, and you're on your way. As a bonus, the live video teller machines are open earlier and later than our lobbies and drive-thrus, and they function as an ATM 24/7.